Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Woo! Got a couple days worth of growth. St. Patrick's Day. I hope everyone has luck of the Irish. And today's shave soap is going to be Bailey's by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Now, this is the older version, CK1. Let's see. And what a nice, pleasant scent. Some of you may be curious. Here's what the soap looks like. Some of you may be curious of the scent on there. I pick up more of a vanilla scent, kind of a warm, sweet scent with a little bit of chocolate in there and just a mild amount of coffee, which I'm not, there's some coffee scents that are super, super strong. This one is not like that. I enjoy it. I picked this set up off of another wet shaver that sold it to me because I didn't know if it was going to come out this year. And lo and behold, it came out. It has a new designed label and all that good stuff. Check it out on the website if you're interested. I have it whipped up already in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. I'm using this Trotter's Handcraft brush. I felt it might be kind of lucky today. Here's what the lather looks like. And I need a shave. This is going to be a balancing act shave for me today. Most of you know I had knee surgery on Wednesday. I'm recuperating pretty well. Compared to my back surgery, this was way easier. More to that in just a little bit. All right, so just to save a little bit of time, I'm using my Blackbird, Brassbird, or Blackland Blackbird, and this is the brass version. I have it loaded with a Gillette Yellow 7 o'clock. Got some warm water here in a bowl. Let's go ahead and get the shave going. Pass number 1 with the grain. Oh yes, I needed to shave the other day, but I just couldn't bring myself to telling my wife to grab all the stuff and bring it downstairs. I think I've mentioned in the past with you guys that my house is like a 3-level house. So no matter what I do, I have to tackle some stairs, which can be challenging, very challenging. So I didn't want her to have to go all the way upstairs, pick stuff out of my shave cabinet, bring it all the way back down, hoping that she got it all. And then, try to make lather sitting on the kitchen or on the couch or in the kitchen or wherever I picked. Very nice and close. This razor is a great performer for me. And so anyway, if you've ever tried to stand on one leg for 10 or 15 minutes solid, let me know in the comments below. But anyway, I can put a little bit of weight on it right now. It's just still kind of wobbly and such. But I can say for sure that, a lot of people's like, get an MRI. That's my little mole. I thought I got myself. MRIs tell it all. Blah, blah, blah. Well, in my case, that was not true. they did see, you know, a couple things that they knew needed attention, but once they got in there to do the actual surgery, they found out there was more going on than what the MRI or CT scan and all that mumbo jumbo could pick up. And so when I woke up, there I was, all bandaged up and everything. And I was just like, woohoo! And my wife's like, you know what all they found in there? And I was kind of shocked. I'm like, I was walking around on that for 11 months. And, you know, one doctor's like, there's nothing wrong with you. And then my doctor's like, there's something wrong. You know how that goes. All right, pass number 2 across the grain. So with this one, I don't have all those crazy nerve problems like with your back and all that, which makes it a whole lot nicer. And I'm going to forecast a little early here and say that so far, I feel like the pain that I was having is gone, and it's really just surgery pain right now. So that will be nice. I've just been limiting myself on, you know, putting a little bit of pressure on it, moving it around, just like they said. I kind of thought that they may have me in physical therapy the next day, because sometimes they do that depending on the situation. But for my situation, they thought it would be best to wait a little bit. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Using my Lancaster black sheep towel. One is all you'll ever need. And I don't even know if these are still being made. All right, and time for the matching splash. And just so you guys know, I'm not a coffee drinker. I have to have way too much milk and sugar and all that good stuff in it. The old glass restrictor. And anyway, so my coffee would not really be coffee. But if you're wondering about this fragrance, my wife does enjoy it, so wifey approved. There you go. Very pleasant scent. And I'm going to follow that up with some star jelly. I may put a picture right here of everything I used. Trying to wrap this shave up quickly. All right, guys, I will see you on the next shave video. Maybe Wednesday, maybe not. You guys have a great rest of your weekend.